market. If the candidate mindset is learning enthusiastic, AI is only dependent on humans. Human is not dependent on AI. Hi everyone, today everyone is afraid of AI. Will AI replace humans? Let's clearly understand the differences between human intelligence and artificial intelligence, so that you should be more clarified about the myths that AI will replace humans. Okay, if anyone could survive in this job market right now, he should adapt AI technology very fast. Okay, so that in future there will be no fear of using AI. Okay, so let's compare the two differences. First of all, I will talk you that about human intelligence. So first point is thinking and consciousness. Humans can think, feel, imagine and dream. We have self-awareness and emotions. But in case of AI, it is data-based thinking. AI works on only data, algorithms, instructions. Okay, it has no emotions like human. So then second point is creativity. Humans can create new ideas, stories, music and art, business even without data. So humans can create new ideas. Okay, because human is more uniqueness in nature. So what happens now? Human create ideas, then AI mimics that ideas of human. So why you should afraid about AI? Okay, you should be afraid of yourself. You should be afraid yourself that you should not be improve and you should not be adapt according to the market demand. Okay, then AI no emotions. That is, AI has no feelings, no emotions, no consciousness. It only acts smart. We should use AI as our assistant only. If we are doing every task, we should not be completely dependent on AI. We should use our own creativity and we should use the AI as our assistant to speed and to maintain accuracy and speed of our task. Okay, then third point is decision making. Humans take decisions based on experience, emotions, ethics and situations. But in case of AI, speed and accuracy. AI can process huge data fast, work 24/7, make fewer calculation errors. Okay, so it maintains only speed and accuracy and it only helps you to fasten your work. Okay, then fourth point is learning ability. So humans can learn from experiences, from failures and improves according to the learnings. Okay, and in case of AI, the fourth point is dependency. So AI is completely dependent on human data, human goals and human instructions. So AI is fully dependent on humans. So whatever human will do, any kind of creativity or any kind of work, AI is only dependent on humans. Human is not dependent on AI. AI is completely dependent on human. Okay, so these are the four comparisons between artificial intelligence and human intelligence. I hope you got more clarified from my video. Okay, the comparison between HI and AI. So you should not be afraid of AI. You should use AI very effectively, smartly, and should not be completely dependent on AI. Okay, so you should use only for your assistance. The purpose behind to use AI only to speed up your task, to maintain accuracy. So in 2026, there are many jobs will be replaced by AI. The works that are more repetitive in nature, like clerical jobs, data entry jobs, this type of jobs and also customer service jobs are replaced by AI. That does not matter for employees who adapt AI technology and learn new things daily and can adapt very quickly according to the new technology. Whatever new technology arrives in the market, if the candidate mindset is learning enthusiastic, then whatever coming in the market, the candidate can survive in the market. Okay, so you should treat AI as your friend. Okay, so that's all about the video. Thank you so much. Meet you in the next video.